Hi. This time around I'm talking a little bit about my next version of a tool post grinder. Even with the 16-inch bed, the tail post has to come off. Just so you know, this plastic, I actually mounted this in the lathe and turned it down so I had a parallel section to clamp this. I bored this out in a short time on the lathe, and I've got a piece of 1/2-inch brass here, so it'll fit in my tool post holder. This is a carbide burr, and certainly some operations can be done with that, but I anticipate using mounted stone mostly. This kind of worked out. I had wrenches on hand to bore this, or to tighten it up. Anyways, there's a collet in the grinder that will allow that to be set out a fair distance, and it spins up pretty fast, so and I suppose I can give you a quick demo here. Got a piece of scrap. Pretty noisy, but I think it'll be satisfactory. I can certainly dress this down to a smaller diameter and go internal with it. I think it's going to be satisfactory. Anyways, it might inspire you guys. Have a good day.